Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to scale or measure distance in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF or Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this measure option and this is distance and download distance and see this 24 cm this distance and click on this properties option. You can change this highlight color and increase decrease for the thickness and see this again. I will increase this distance change color and see this, and you can change border style and arrows and so on. I'll increase this thickness and see this. Yeah, in this way you can measure distance or object distance on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.